Hey guys, it's Vanity. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a blue makeup tutorial and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry palette. And I'm just going to go into this metallic blue and it's like an aqua blue color. And I'm going to apply it with this fluffy brush all on my crease. This color is so pigmented. It's more pigmented than what I expected, but it's so beautiful. And I'm just going to continue to outline my crease. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And I'm just going to keep building it up until I like how pigmented it looks on the eye. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to apply it with a flat brush on my movable lid. I love using concealer on my eyeshadow looks because it makes the colors pop even more. So if you're trying to find a way to make your colors pop, you should give this a try. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Just apply it all over the movable lid. Now I'm going to go back into my palette and I'm going to use this darker blue color. And I'm just going to pat it on with a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to apply it all over that area that I applied the concealer previously. Do take your time building up this color. Now I'm just finishing up this last eye, just patting on the color, building it up until it's the color I want it to be. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Badunkadunk mascara And I'm just going to apply a few coats. This is gonna work as a base for my falsies that I'm going to apply off camera. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown foundation stick, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm going to use this flat foundation brush to blend out this foundation. Be sure to be gentle because this brush can really exfoliate your face if you're not gentle. And just take your time blending everything out. Now with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, I'm just going to apply it on my under eyes in order to conceal any dark circles. And I'm going to blend it out with this disposable triangle sponge. Now I'm going to use my Airspun setting spray, setting powder in the color Translucent. And now I'm just going to remove the excess after having it on for a few minutes with this fluffy brush. I'm going to go back in with that blue color, that dark blue color that I just used, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to use my Bare Minerals blush, and with a fluffy brush I'm just going to apply it all over the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to use my AOA highlighter, and I'm going to apply it right above my blush. Same thing on the other side. Also on my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I'm going to go in with my LA Colors Shimmery Brown Lip Gloss. All the information for these products will be in the description box. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.